Math 6, Quarter 2, Week 8, Lesson 4. Division of integers. Magkaroon muna tayo ng short review sa parts ng division process bago natin talakayin ang ating division of integers. For example, ang positive 8 ay tinatawag nating dividend. Ang 2 ay tinatawag nating divisor. At ang 4 ay tinatawag nating quotient. Handa na ba kayo sa ating bagong aralin? Pag-usapan po natin kung paano nga ba magdi-divide ng integers. Napakasimple lang po. Magdi-divide lang po tayo katulad ng pagdi-divide ng whole numbers. But ating pakakatandaan na kapag tayo ay magdi-divide ng integers na may parehong sign, ang sign ng ating magiging quotient or sagot ay palaging positive. It's like positive divided by positive is always positive, or negative divided by negative is positive. So, palaging positive ang sign ng magiging sagot kapag ang sign ng ating integers ay magkapareho. For example, positive 8 divided by positive 2. So, i-divide lang po muna natin ang integers as whole numbers. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And then, kung makikita natin, positive divided by positive, so pareho ang kanilang sign. So, ang sign ng ating magiging sagot is always positive. So, ang ating final answer is positive 4. Isa pang example, negative 4 divided by negative 2. So, divide muna natin. Ang 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And then, kung makikita natin, pareho na naman ang kanilang signs. So, negative divided by negative is always positive. Basta kapag pareho ang sign sa division and multiplication, ang sign palagi ng magiging sagot ay positive. So, ang ating final answer is positive 2. Paano naman kapag magkaiba ang sign? So, ating pakakatandaan muli na kapag tayo ay magdi-divide ng integers na may magkaibang sign, ang sign ng ating magiging quotient o sagot ay palaging negative. So, magkaiba ang sign, negative ang result ng ating quotient. Example, positive 8 divided by negative 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And then, kung ating makikita, ang sign ng 8 at 2 ay magkaiba. So, positive divided by negative is always negative. So, ang final natin answer is negative 4. Isa pang example, negative 4 divided by positive 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And then, magkaiba na naman po uli ang sign. Sa 4 ay negative at sa 2 ay positive. So, kapag magkaiba ang sign, negative divided by positive, ang ating sagot ay negative. So, ang final answer is negative 2. Para sa karagdagang pagsasanay ay subukan nating sagutin ang let's try this. So, negative 9 divided by positive 3. Ano po ang ating sagot? Okay? So, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And then, negative divided by positive, dahil magkaiba, ang ating sign sa sagot ay negative. So, the answer is negative 3. Isa pang pagsasanay. Negative 6 divided by negative 2. Anong sagot? 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then, kung ating makikita, ang sign ng dalawa nating integers ay magkapareho. So, kapag magkapareho, negative divided by negative is always positive. So, the final answer is positive 3. So, handa na po tayo sa ating pagsasanay. Sagutan ang activity 4. Divide the following integers. Good luck, kids, and thank you for watching.